Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on more ratio problems. In this video, we will be looking at another type of ratio problem that is very popular. We are given a total amount and we are told that this amount is divided between two or more people in a given ratio. We need to find the amount that each person receives. Let's look at the first example. 45 marbles are divided between John and Bill in the ratio 2:7. How many marbles does each person receive? If you add 2 and 7 together, that gives you 9 parts. Therefore, 9 parts represents 45 marbles. Therefore, 1 part represents 5 marbles. That's the trick with these type of problems. You always have to find out what 1 part represents. John's share is 2 parts, so 2 fives are 10, so John receives 10 marbles. Bill's share is 7 parts, 7 fives are 35, so Bill receives 35 marbles. This approach can also be used for other things, and here is another example where concrete is produced. Now let's see how this works. A concrete mixture is made by mixing gravel, sand and cement in the ratio 4:3:2. If the end result was 72 kilograms of concrete, how much of each ingredient is used? If you add the numbers together, that gives you 9 parts. So 9 parts represent 72 kilogram, so 1 part is 8 kilograms. Gravel represents 4 parts. 4 eighths are 32, so we have 32 kilograms of gravel. Sand represents 3 parts. 3 eighths are 24, so we have 24 kilograms of sand. And cement represents 2 parts. 2 eighths are 16, we have 16 kilograms of cement. Number 3. The amount of $108 is divided between Sue, Mary, Ann and Faye in the ratio 1:2:3:6. How much money does each person receive? If you add the numbers up, you get 12 parts. 12 parts represent $108, therefore 1 part is $9. Sue has 1 part, so that's $9. Mary has 2 parts, 2 nines are 18, $18. Anne has 3 parts, 3 nines are 27, $27. And Faye has 6 parts, 6 nines are 54, $54. And the final problem, the amount of 180 marbles is divided between Sue, Ted, Anne, Faye and Ron in this ratio. How many marbles does each person receive? 18 parts, because you add those numbers, that gives you 18. So 18 parts is 180 marbles, therefore 1 part is 10 marbles. Sue receives 1 part, 10 marbles. Ted receives 2 parts, 20 marbles. Anne receives 4 parts, 40 marbles. Faye receives 5 parts, 50 marbles. And Ron receives 6 parts, 60 marbles. So this video gives us more examples of problem solving involving ratio, where a certain amount is divided into a particular ratio, and once we have that bit of information, we can work out each individual part. And those 4 examples have clearly shown us how to do that.